Want to buy NFC stickers, but confused with so many types out there? What should you look for before buying? This video will help you pick the right NFC sticker for your needs. Number 1. Chip type. The first thing to decide is the chip. NFC chips come in different memory sizes. For most uses, tagmo-timeskey with 144 bytes is enough. But if you need to store more data, go for tagmo-timeskey, which has 888 bytes. Number 2. Physical size. NFC stickers come in many sizes, from tiny 10mm circles to large 80 by 50mm rectangles. Choose based on how much space you have. Also remember, bigger stickers mean better scan strength, so if you need strong scanning, go bigger. If space is tight, pick a smaller size. Number 3. Sticker surface. The top layer of the sticker also matters. Some have a paper surface, some have vinyl or PVC, and others are custom printed. The surface decides where you can stick it. For waterproof options, go for epoxy-coated NFC stickers. Number 4. Surface you'll stick it on. Most NFC tags don't work well on metal. If you're placing it on metal, you'll need anti-metal stickers. These have a special layer to make them work correctly on metal surfaces. Number 5. Cost. Finally, there's the price. tagmo-timeskey is the most affordable and widely used chip. You'll find two options: NXP Original, slightly more expensive but reliable and feature-rich; Generic, more budget-friendly but may have fewer features. That's it. Now you know how to choose the right NFC sticker. Still have questions? Feel free to reach out to Linqs. We're happy to help.